Hey there, it's Candis Hidalgo, Houston Suburbs Realtor with Real Broker. Today I am hosting an open house, but I wanted to do a walkthrough for you. This is my listing here in the Woodlands Hills, but it's a Perry 2944 floor plan. So if you haven't seen that floor plan, this is going to be a great walkthrough for you. This one is a resale. It's just a few years old, 2022, but it has so many beautiful upgrades inside. And I wanted to make sure that I showed it to you because it's priced pretty much right at the builder's base price, which doesn't include anything that you see inside this home. So I had to show it to you. Let's go take a look. Okay, so it's the Perry 2944 floor plan. This one is on a corner lot. We just got some rain, so this grass will be green in short order. It's winter right now, gonna be spring shortly, but it's so nice. It's 75 out, a little overcast today. We had a little bit of showers, but it's already warming up. This week ahead is gonna be mid to high 70s, so that's Texas for you. Okay, going on in. And if you are wanting to buy a house sometime soon, this one is on the market right now. This is February 2026, and we're priced at $569,000. And it's a 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath, 3-car garage. So let's walk through. I'm just gonna point out, you got 12-inch ceilings at the entry, beautiful crown molding all throughout the main areas of the home, and in the office and media room, which I'll show you in a sec. So you've got the office right off the main entry. 12-foot ceilings. We need to clean my camera lens. Apologies, because the lights do that funky thing. All right, nice wide hallway, nice wide entry. And as you can see, it's tile flooring throughout. All the bedrooms have luxury vinyl plank, so no carpet in the entire home. Floor plan wise, you have 2 bedrooms and a full bath here. You have the garage and a powder room here, media room, and then a guest bedroom with ensuite down there, main living area and primary in the back. So let's go on through. Powder. Got your drop zone here, right off of the 3-car garage. Let's cut across the hallway. Just look how tall the entryways are too. So here you can see the transition from this wood look tile to this beautiful high-end luxury vinyl plank. It's a wide plank too, really pretty. And fans in all bedrooms. Plantation shutters on every single window in the home. Full bathroom here. And actually, I'm going to show you this beautiful upgraded cabinetry and hardware. And that's in the bathrooms. So really, nothing's untouched. Everything has been beautifully designed and upgraded in this home. This is the 2nd bedroom. Let's go on through. And then here you have this dedicated media room. You have a coat closet here and a linen. So lots of closets in this house. You have double French doors leading into this dedicated media room. Beyond a doubt. I don't know if you can hear my music in the background. Dining room, beautiful chandelier as well. Open concept to the living kitchen. But before we go there, let's go take a peek at your laundry room. Very spacious. Another linen closet here. And this is the guest bedroom with its own ensuite. Really, it could be anybody's bedroom, but it'd be perfect for guests or a teenager, or maybe an living parent, because it does have its own bathroom. All right. Huge picture windows. They're Nice 12-foot ceilings, as you can see, crown molding pretty much everywhere. And they did a really nice job on this home. They added premium granite. It's like that thick granite. And then you have to see the way this backsplash shimmers when I walk. It's just so pretty. Isn't that pretty? All right, 5-burner gas stove. And then I love this kitchen, the colors. You have this kind of espresso and gold on the island. And then more of kind of a latte color, if you will. And you have these brass hardware. And pantry here, double oven, built-in microwave. Hopefully I gave you a good look at the kitchen. And just, I mean, windows galore. Plantation shutters on everything. These also open up. The Plantation shutters pull out so you can get the full picture of you if you'd like. Breakfast nook here. Let's head over to the primary. This is another closet. So many closets in here. And beautiful vaulted ceiling in the primary suite with fan. And again, you have this beautiful high-end luxury vinyl plank and Plantation shutters. Let's go through the French doors to the primary bathroom. Corner full shower, tiled all the way to the ceiling. And freestanding soaking tub. This is the water closet, and then you have 2 vanities as well. And then here you have, I'll show you this closet sizes. You have like a linen here, large closet here, and then also a walk-in closet here. Oops, so lots of closet space. Now let's go take a look at the backyard. I love the backyard. It's a low maintenance, no fuss backyard. So if you're looking for some green space without having to mow a ton or do a bunch of landscaping, this is your backyard. And now, as you can see, they've also done this beautiful stone upgrade to the back patio and extended the concrete out. Tall covered patio with fan and recessed lighting. And you have a couple of trees here, and you have no rear neighbor and no side neighbor. I love that also about this house. And then you've got this doggy run here, or just, you know, this gated side area, and the whole home water softener is down there too. It's another awesome thing about this house. This house is located in the Woodlands Hills, less than half a mile to the amenities, so definitely a walking or bike ride away. And I love that because some of the new construction is a bit removed from the amenities, obviously still accessible, but this is an easy walk or bike ride over to the pools, the tennis courts, the dog park, the fitness center, all that good stuff. So, all right, I think that's it for now for this tour. Let me know if you have any questions about this home or anything here in the Woodlands Hills. As you may know, I live right here in the Woodlands Hills. I serve all around the Houston suburbs, and I do these videos for you. See you on the next video.